Three, two, one, start. India is a land of villages. Father and son went to the fair in their village. Culpable homicide is the illegal killing of a person either with or without an intention to kill. It was held on that day when the farmers started harvesting their wheat crops in northern India. It is not classified as a murder. They bought sweets and new clothes. Some stalls were selling colorful toys, balloons, and balls. Fairs give the sense of unity and joy. Every crime involves mens rea. The mens rea of a crime refers to the mental element or the state of mind of the accused. For example, murder requires mens rea, that is, there should be intention behind murdering someone. He was playing with a toy. The toy was car. That car was white in color. She tried to open all the wheels, but she could not. Hence, she handed over the keys of car to his son. His son became loco-pilot in railways. Then, the investigation was handed over to the investigating officer. Investigating officer took no interest as he was fond of taking bribe, which leads to corruption. I told the carpenter to make a bed for him, but he was busy in making furniture for his owner. Sri Lanka is having good ties with India. We cannot stop trade with China. International relations is a deeper subject. The more you go deep, the more you find. Dalai Lama is a great person. He is a role model for many persons. The world. Mahindra and Mahindra launched new Thar Jeep. One should know that how to drive a car. She was looking beautiful in the dress of bride. Her father told that the bride has demanded dowry. She refused to marry him. Section 198 of CRPC provides for the procedure related to offences against marriage, whereas Section 498A of IPC provides punishment for the offences related to marriage. 320 under Chapter XX of IPC. He gave him the chocolate so that there can be cordial relations between them. But China refused to do any kind of trade with the USA. This benefited Russia to have a great deal with France. One must know the at least 4 languages. I know many languages such as English, Hindi, Punjabi. I have friends from all the states of India. They range from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Governor ordered his guards to bring that poor person to him. He gave the blessings to them so that they can progress in a bold way. Stop.